Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Cleveland Public Auditorium is a breathtaking example of the City Beautiful movement, a monumental structure that has served as the city's grand stage for over a century. Completed in 1922, this neoclassical masterpiece was designed to be one of the most largest and most versatile convention centers in the world. Its massive, ornate facade of limestone and brick stands as a symbol of Cleveland's peak industrial era, a time when the city was a global titan of e-commerce and culture. To walk past its towering columns and arched windows is to feel the weight of a century's worth of history, from political conventions to the birth of rock and roll legends. The scale of the auditorium is truly difficult to grasp until you're standing right in front of it. At the time of its opening, it boasted the largest stage in the world, equipped with a pipe organ that remains one of the finest instruments of its kind ever built. This wasn't just a building for the elite, it was a palace for the people, designed to host everything from grand opera and the Cleveland Orchestra to indoor circuses and high-stakes boxing matches. It was here in 1924 that the Republican National Convention nominated Calvin Coolidge, and decades later it became a regular stop for the biggest names in music, including the Beatles and Elvis Presley. One of the most fascinating aspects of the auditorium is its role in the group plan of 1903. It sits perfectly aligned with the Cleveland Mall, forming part of a coordinated ensemble of civic buildings that include City Hall and Public Library. This layout was intended to give Cleveland a sense of European grandeur and civic pride, creating a front yard for the city that still feels majestic today. Even as modern skyscrapers have risen around it, the Public Auditorium remains the architectural anchor of the district. Its classic lines provide a sense of permanence and dignity. Today the building continues to evolve, serving as a key venue for the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame induction ceremonies and major civic events. It's a place where the echoes of the past meet the energy of the present. Whether you're admiring the intricate stonework or thinking about the legends who have graced the stage, the Cleveland Public Auditorium is a reminder that this city has always known how to put on a show. It is a cornerstone of the 216, a venue built with industrial muscle and artistic soul, standing ready for its next 100 years of history.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.